1:10 na guys. Today is Friday, October 4. And meron tayong package from Amazon. And inintay lang namin si Jan kasi mag-a-Adelaide tayo guys.
And I got a spring roll.
And nagluto rin yung spring rolls.
Yeah. What's in there?
Another silicone molder para sa ice.
Is that one for me?
For all of us. Ayan. So, ito yung second. So, ito, wala siyang case tulad nito. Maglalagay ako ng tubig sa akin, ice sa aking Stanley. Ayan. So, hindi siya ganyan. Ito kasi hard case. Pero silicone yung lalagyan ng ice. Ito naman, may cover na siya na silicone din. So, wala nga lang siyang hard case. Pero okay lang. Ito yung first, second, third din siya guys. So, yung malaki yung third.
You have the second and third, and I'll have both
Yeah,
of the
so,
first.
kasi diba si Holly, binilhan ko rin siya. So
She has
sa kanya
second
rin yung,
and third, and I have
eto.
first.
Kasi ito lang yung kasya sa kanyang tumbler. So, mag-Adelaide tayo. Biglang Adelaide. Kasi diba, kung maalala niyo si Jam, hala, malulupat. Nagpa-flashing na naman. Diba, si Jan, nag-Adelaide siya. And dinalaw niya si Ray. Patay yung camera natin guys. So, nagpalit lang tayo ng battery. Yung sinasabi ko, si Jan, di ba punta siya ng Adelaide? And dinalaw niya si Ray. Na-meet niya na si Indy. Siya na talagang unang nakadalaw at nakahawak kay Indy. Sinendalaw ni Ray ng picture. Insert ko. Ang cute. So, sabi ni Jan, dalhin daw niya din kayo para ma-meet si Indy. Kasi wala siyang work. Kailan ba siyang walang work? Nung Wednesday pa ata. Dahil yung umalis siya, nag-work siya noon. Yun yung last niyang work. Tapos, kahapon, today, hindi siya nag-work kasi ang pangit ng weather.
Because it's like windy and warm. But
Anong windy and warm? Windy and the wave is so big. Okay lang yung rain, kaya yan. Basta wag lang yung wind. Tsaka yung malalakas.
And it might be raining in the morning.
Yeah, malalaking alon. So, hindi siya makakapag-fish si Jan hanggang next week. So, hanggang Monday or Tuesday ata, hindi siya makakapag-fish kasi nga, yung weather hindi ganun kaganda. So, kaya mag-Adelaide tayo. Pero hindi tayo mag-stay kila Race. Mag-stay tayo kila Mers. Nag-try si Jan magpa-book ng hotel. Kaso guys, wala siyang ma-book kasi aside sa school holiday, long weekend din. Kasi birthday ata ni King. So, sobrang busy ngayon sa city. So, ngayon, inadapt tayo ni Mers. So, doon muna kami. Doon tayo mag-stay kila Mers for until Monday ata kami doon. So, yung guys. So, ngayon, hinihintay lang namin si Jan. Nakapack na kami na doon na nilagay na ng mga bata yung mga, hugas lang ako ng kamay, yung aming mga luggage sa car. Kasi yung car nandun na sa labas. And hugasan din natin yan.
This is so cute. I like pink.
I think it's, is it pink? Not really pink.
Well, it's like a peachy.
Yeah. So, yeah. Ilagay na ng mga boys yung ating luggage sa car. So, tamang hintay na lang tayo kay Jan. Tapos nagluto akong yun nga, yung spring roll. Mainit pa siya. So, nilagay ko siya sa parang disposable.
Are we gonna do this one next? We're gonna wash it.
No, I'm gonna wash it and then when we come back, you can use that one.
Yay!
So, may number kasi ito guys. My first, ayan, first, second, yung third yung pinakamalaki.
And then the third is the biggest one.
Yeah.
Then you can just like, wait.
Wala pong lemon this time, no?
And then you
May
can
lemon
just
ko din yung naglagay.
do that.
Tamad.
Come out.
Baba, get me water, please.
Water. Sorry?
Yes, please. So, makakarating kami nitong Adelaide gabi na kasi baka alas 2 kami umalis.
Here you go. May I
Mayroon lang pinuntan si Jan. Huh? Okay, you can pour it now.
Let me open it first. Because it's hard to open for me. All I need to do is just add the whole entire thing. I need to add the whole entire thing.
Ito yung spring roll, guys. Dito ko linagay. Ayan. Yung Vietnamese spring rolls. Tapos, meron na rin akong sineparate na sweet chili sauce.
Okay, now I
Alright.
This
Yeah,
one, this
no,
one.
not yet. I'm gonna wash that one. I have to put more here. Okay. Alright. Hugasan ko muna yung ano niya. Yung silicone molder niya. So, ayan. Hugasan at nalagyan na natin ng tubig. Zach! Put the empty bottles now, please. Put it away. Ayan, sis. Yeah, yeah. Ilalagay yan ni Zach sa recycle. Ayan.
I can do the third.
Yeah. Is it easy?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Ayan. Tapos, ilagay ko na lang siya dito sa ibabaw. Ayan. Ang galing. Ayan.
Yay! Oh, wait, that's not one. There we go.
I have to cut your nails, Baba. Wala pa rin si Jan. 2:46 na, guys. Yan yung spring rolls. Ayan. Paubos na. Babuunin sana namin. Kaso wala pa si Jan. So, kinain na lang namin. So, yeah. Wala pa rin siya. Baka mga 3:30 na tayo nito makaalis. And nilagay ko rin yung aking etong silicone dito sa ating Stanley. Kasi mamaya, lagyan ko siya ng anik-anik pagkain. So, niready ko lang para mamaya. Dito na po siya, oh. Dito na siya. Ang forma niya. And yung boys, ayan. What time is it, hon?
3 o'clock.
No.
Hi, boys.
Ayan, 3:02.
Market.
Oh. Okay, let's go. We are moving now, guys. Nag-aaral sila kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Meron tayong airpods dito kasi nanonood ako ng eto naman, ano naman siya, Thailand series naman siya, guys, diba? Nalibot ko na yung mga drama series from Korea, China, now Thailand. Eto naman is The Betrayal. Maganda rin ang story niya. So yan, nilagay ko dito yung aking cuff jacket. And Johnny Boy. All good kids? Yep. Hello, LOL. Ayan yung setup ko. Ayan, meron sila din na nagaraya. Yung spice, is that spicy, sa?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have it here too. Ayan, meron tayong nagaraya. M&M kayo dyan. O, diba? Ang ganda nitong lalagyan natin. Yeah. Like it, babe? Yeah. And meron si Holly doon na cheese ring. Ayan, naglagay din tayo dito. Ayan. Ayan yung cheese ring natin. Hindi niya dinala yung kanyang tumbler eh. So, share tayo ng tubig. Si Sak uminom na. Si Kuya meron siya doon. Hoy! Tubig lang yung sabi mo, ha?
Yeah.
Where are we now? Narakotan? Nasa Narakot na kami, guys. Ay, napasong naman. Stretching. Ayan sila, oh. Are you going down, Baba?
No, do you have any more M&Ms?
M&M's?
Yeah.
No more. Ubos. We're back.
Charles Jack.
But no, I haven't seen it.
Drive na ulit tayo. Nasa kit na pala tayo, guys. Kahit kami ng makakain. So, si Sak lang ang merong kukunin dito. Yung tatlo, baka sa Talamban sila kukuha ng makakain. Ayan, Sak, oh. Alam niyo naman to si Sak. Ang kanyang paborito. Chicken schnitzel. Ayan, kumuha si Sak ng chicken schnitzel. Walang teriyaki. And, ayan, nilagay ko dito yung chips. Ayan, kay Sak. And meron tayong isang chicken. Si Jang, kain na ng kain ng chips ko. Ito yung chicken natin. Nag-alcohol na ako, guys.
Chip up. Huh?
Zach took it.
TJ or wank box?
Walking box.
Oh, walk box.
The wok box.
Walking box.
The pancit.
Rice.
Ah, the fried rice.
The other, ring.
Hindi na siya ganun
I
ka-crispy.
want the big one because I haven't eaten all day.
What do you get, Bubba?
Mum, I want the big, like a big one. I haven't eaten all day. I've only had one thing.
6:26 na guys, umuulan na.
And you no longer have population which people have it certainly did.
Ha? Ang daming, dito na ako sa Thailand din, pero ang daming tao.
Everyone's going away.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's holiday and then school holiday and then long weekend.
Wow.
Wow, daming tao. Diyan sila kakain sana. Oh. What you got?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. Did you ask chicken?
No.
What?
There's no chicken in this.
What's that, prawns?
Mhm.
Oh, I thought you don't like prawns.
I'm gonna give them that.
Okay. Be careful with your jumper, ha? Sila dyan naka-line up pa sila sa Hungry Jacks.
He's ordered.
Yeah, but it's still waiting.
Oh, a bit spicy.
Careful with your jumper, ha? Because that's oil, yeah? It's hard to take it off. Ang daming tao. Ayan na si Zach. Oh, may dala rin siyang ano. Anong dala niya?
Spoon?
I'm not sure. What you got, Zach? Huh?
Grafton. Where is he?
Your cousin?
Yeah.
You
Where is
see?
he?
You see him?
Yeah.
Did you say hi?
Yeah. I think so.
I think he's going back home. Is he?
No, I don't know.
He didn't ask.
Here goes that.
Careful with your clothes, huh? What did you get, Zach? That's a big one.
Get it. Prawn.
Dito na si Jan and eto nagpakuha akong Storm. Yung
Wala po
parang McFlurry ng Hungry Jacks. Ayan, may chocolate. Ano siya? Uy, Zach, be careful!
This.
Oh my God, Zaki. Muntik na. Nakapatong na kayo dyan. Pinasa na ni Kuya Kai. Zach, sobrang anghang daw. Is it spicy, Zach?
No, kinda. Yes, it is.
Yan yung mag-amay. What you have, Baba?
A cheeseburger.
Daddy?
Dad. What do you get?
That's right.
Deluxe.
Yeah. Okay.
Later. Thank you.
Yep, spilling it everywhere.
Tunnel na tayo, guys. Anong oras na? 8:27 na.
I want to shoot.
What is it? What happened? Oh no. May accident din, guys. Oh. Na-hit niya yung, yung wall.
How come people can walk?
May dala na train.
The train.
8:45 na, guys. Gabi na tayo. Dito na kami, guys.
They're back. But the whole family.
The whole family. Last week ako nandito ngayon. Dala ko rin yung family ko.
Actually naman kasi bakasyon.
Sino si ate?
Gising pa yan.
Gising pa. Alas 9 na. Yan ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't seen my next vlog.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.